water above, water below. Water travels double water. Thus do superior people consistently practice virtue and learn how to teach. Double water means water reaching from here to there. Above is water, below is water. This is water traveling from here to there, from there to here, traveling, flowing together. This is the image of double water. What superior people see in this is that the work of sages is twofold, involving both self-development and development of others. Self-development is the practice of virtue. Development of others is teaching. If virtuous practice is inconsistent, it is hard to enter the universal Tao. If teaching is not learned, students will not understand. Therefore, they work on virtuous practice day by day and month by month, becoming familiar with the old and aware of the new, increasing their efforts as time goes on, aiming for profound attainment of self-realization. Then when it comes to teaching, they gradually develop guidance, making clear presentations and subtle indications, leading students further and further on until they penetrate thoroughly and are free from doubt. The practice of virtue is the study of body and mind, nature and life. It is a very refined and subtle science in which the slightest deviation can produce an enormous loss. It can be accomplished only by constancy and consistency, thoroughly investigating its principles, fulfilling nature, and arriving at the meaning of life. Teaching is a matter of receiving from forebears and educating successors. It is very urgent and necessary. If instruction is unclear, people will be misled as to the course they should pursue. One can develop others only if one learns how to teach, which involves searching out the profound and the recondite and clarifying that which is obscure. The work of teaching is based on the practice of virtue. Teaching means teaching the practice of virtue. Only if one is consistent and constant in the practice of virtue can one learn and practice teaching. If one cannot be consistent in the practice of virtue, then teaching will be baseless and unguided. When one is consistent in the practice of virtue and afterward learns how to teach, then what is consistent and constant in oneself is what is learned by others. This is like water traveling from here to there. It is all the same water, able to flow everywhere.